What's good, YouTube, and to my Sneaker World family? It is your guy again, Udell 12, aka Bubba. I'm back with another quick review. And today, guys, I'll be giving you a quick look at the Raging Bull DMP pack. And before we get started, guys, as always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up for your boy. And also, do not forget to smash the notification bell for upcoming vids. Guys, I just want to thank you guys for those who've been rocking with me. Just appreciate all the love support. Let's continue to get to our goal of 1,000 subs. And guys, we're a small channel. We pack a lot of power, as I always say. Guys, just continue to rock with me. I have more dope vids coming. Just continue to stick with me. I promise you I will not let you down. But thank you again for all the love and support. And guys, as you see, I have the Raging Bull 5s here, DMP. And let's shout out TD501 for the assist here for letting me review. This will be his pair. And he copped these off of StockX. And if you hadn't checked out the playlist I have for him, so you can check out some of his sneakers in his collection, guys, definitely go check it out. Check out his IG at TD501. Definitely go out and support Big Bro on there. And guys, I have the Raging Bull 5s here. Gosh, very, very dope ass shoe. Grail, instant grail. Absolutely a grail. Should be in everybody's book. But guys, look at this. I mean, this shoe dropped back in May of 2009. Pack which was retailed at $310. And this is a dope ass shoe. And when you get it in hand, man, that red just stands out. Love the red suede on there. You have your 23 right there. You have your shark's teeth there on your side panel. And on your bottom, now you should have yellowing. That's normal, guys. Now, if you bought a pair of Raging Bull 5s and you don't see that yellowing or anything and they're just icy, man, hey, I would you might want to check with who you got those from. But you definitely should see some yellowing, and that's normal, guys. For those, in the sneaker world, sneaker culture knows you're gonna get that yellowing on these and on your Space Jams, etc. 2009, back in that time. So it's just the nature of the beast, man. So you're gonna have yellowing. It's totally normal. But if you see some Raging Bull 5s that these are just super icy, like no yellowing, yeah, that's a flag. So that's another video. But stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. But you got your 3M all on your tongue here. As you can see, my camera's picking it up very well. There's your inside. There's your insole there. Very dope. Got your Air Jordan here on the back. But yeah, man, these are insane, man. This red is just ridiculous. Love the color red, my favorite color. And yeah, man, these are your 2009 Raging Bull 5s here. And here's the packaging. You only have your half as it was sent. Don't have the top part. But there's your paper there. On the paper, have like the wooden things like the bull that's in the, inside the stable. But you have that. And if you had the packaging, I wish I could show you guys the whole packaging on that. But it's a sleeve that comes over. You can see better. But that's your DMP. There's your tag right there. Very, very dope, guys. So this has been Udell 12. Guys, do not forget to comment down below what you think of the Raging Bull 5s. This has been the Bubba Files. Lego.